pretty bad, isn't it, Hunter?
Yes, floating.
Yeah, look at the water.
Yes, floating on here.
I know. There's like, I don't know, an inch of water at the very top.
Oh, it looks like a hurricane.
Like a hurricane.
Yeah.
Tropical storm, Hunter. Tropical storm.
Floating looks like a hurricane.
Well, it is like a hurricane.
Why is it floating?
Hey, get out of that. There's lightning. You don't want your feet in water.